Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable right click in the MacBook. So if you are using MacBook and you want to enable or customize right click in your MacBook, what you have to do, first of all you have to click on this Apple icon here, and here you will see system setting. Okay, now you have to click on system setting and you will see like this options. Now in the sidebar you have to select here trackpad option. Okay, now click on this trackpad and here you will see many things: tracking speed, click, force click, and haptic feedback, like this. Now here you will see secondary click option. Okay, so you have to just click on this and here you will see this secondary click means right click. Okay, now here you can turn it off or click or tap with two fingers. I have chosen it. You can choose click, and in the bottom right corner click in the bottom left corner. Okay, so you can choose whichever you want, and after that you will see that right click is enabled in your laptop MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.